Hello.
Hello, Abdul.
Yeah, here. Hello. Yeah, Pallavi.
Yeah, hi. I
Yeah,
think we can begin the session. There are few students who have joined us. We can begin the session, and as like the session goes on, we will see that more students will be joining us. Okay.
so should I wait for few seconds or should I
I think we can wait for till 6:05, or and then after we can begin the session. Let's not keep the young people waiting.
Yeah, sure, Pallavi.
Sir, when will the session will start?
Hello. Yeah, it's on 6:05.
Okay, sir, waiting.
Okay.
Hello, Abdul. I think we can begin the session now.
Yeah, sure, Pallavi. Hello. Yeah. Are you able to hear my voice clearly?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, good. See, today we'll discuss about the brief why Java is required and what's the technology we have to be focused here. See, I'll share my screen so you can be better to understand the things clarity about the subject. Yeah, yeah. Can you see the screen?
Yes, we can. Yes.
Yeah. See, actually, we discuss about here about the complete concept about why a Java full stack is required and why the reason we should go for the Java full stack. Okay. Now here, first we focus about on the technology. We have a technology called Java, and before that we have so many technologies are here in the market. Now we are majorly focusing on Java. What's the reason behind it? Why the people are focusing on the Java technology? What's the reason behind this? So in Java is one of the technology, it can be run on any devices. So it's have a slogan called "Write once, run anywhere." That is the slogan of Java. So this technology we can build up any one of the machine, and we can transfer, we can portable or any other devices. So the reason Java is a very familiar in the market nowadays. Now see here, we can see there's some general things how we can go ahead about the Java and why we are focusing on the Java. What's the reason behind this? We can go about some general concepts about the Java. So we say Java is a platform independent language. Why we say it's a platform independent language? What's the reason this here? So before Java, we have so many languages we heard here, such as we can heard C or C++, and many more are there. But these languages as C or C++ are not portable. It's nothing but we cannot move anywhere else easily. So the reason we are focusing about Java. Now here, the thing is what we have to understand here, why this technology is booming in the market. Why? What's the reason behind here? See, actually Java is designed based upon a web-based application, such as web-based application is nothing but suppose if you want to be start any business or any project, anything else for as in digitalize in the market. So we want a marketing, we want advertisement. So if we have, apart from Java, we have another technology such as .NET and Python and many more are there. But here we are focusing on Java. Why we are focusing on Java means it's an open source, it's a totally free of cost. When the this technology has launched in the he released it released in the year of 1990, the company name as Sun Microsystem. So these people has going to release this technology in the year of 1999. So at that time they have mentioned they have to be, it's an open source and it's a free of cost. For that reason everyone has going to be accessing this technology because it's an open source, so that they are is the familiar in the market. I mean, are you getting my point? Yeah. Okay. So here, why we are focusing on Java, why we are not focusing on the previous languages such as C and C++, means here they are not as a portable. I'll tell you what's the meaning of portable. C means uh, so that's the reason they came across from C++ to Java. Now here, we say how we are going to say it's an important, why we are saying it's an a very robust language and it's an a very a security language. What's the reason behind this? We can see in the coming slides here. So now you can see this diagram. It's mentioning here clearly a platform independent in Java. So whenever we are going to compile any program in the Java technology, so once you compile the program, it will be generate some bytecode. The meaning of bytecode means it's fully optimized. It cannot be a user cannot able to be view the code. They cannot able to be understand the code. Once you compile the code in the, it will be generated a bytecode format. So that bytecode we can run on any such as any OS. I can say we can say or any device. So the reason we say as it's a portability, and we can say it's a platform independent. That's why the Java is very familiar in the market. Now you can see the diagram here clearly. Once we are going to write any program on the Java, then we have compiled into the bytecode. That bytecode file we can rotate on any other devices or any other operating system, such as we have mentioned here the Linux and Windows and Mac and Unix and many more OS. What we have, that OS can accept it here. So the reason it's a portability and it's a independent language in the technology in the industry. And apart from Java, we have a previous languages we can see here. C and C++, they are not as a portable. Why? Because once you compile this technology with the C language or the C++, it's not portable. Means what, if you compile here, it will be generate some dot object file. That dot object file, it cannot be run on any other devices, run on any other, it cannot be run on any other such as OS. Yes, please, Ritik. May I know your question? Yes, please. So that's why we are focusing about this technology. Now, now we can see the editions of Java. See, in the Java, we have editions are here. Okay, okay, Ritik. See here. See, here we have some additions in the Java. So, such as example, Java can run on multiple editions. It can support on multiple platforms. Suppose, just take an example here. We have mentioned some three. I mean, we have three types of editions here: Java SE and Java ME and Java double E. So, what is SE and what is ME and what is double E? We can see the brief about these things. See, SE stands for Standard Edition. What we are learning, I mean, what we are working on SE. I mean, Java SE editions we are working because this is totally development side and this is totally integration side. Here we can build a client side applications based upon the Java SE environment. It's nothing but Java Standard Edition environment. That is the thing we can work Java. And we have one more part here that such as JME. See, JM is nothing but it's a micro edition. It's nothing but whatever the applications we are going to build in Android and what were the applications we are using in the mobile devices, either it may be any device. So that type of applications we can build with the help of this Java ME edition. So that is another part of the Java. And we have one more part such as JEE, and this edition is used for as an enterprise edition. So majorly, this edition is used for a server-side programs. So what's the meaning of server-side and what's the meaning of client-side? We'll discuss here. See, initially we have seen here JSE. See, the JSE is stands for client-side application. Whenever we are going to build any application or any software, any application or any website, this we have two types of development are here. One is the client side and another one is what the server side. If you go for the client side, we should follow JSE. That is nothing but standard edition. It can work on the client level itself. If I want to work my application on the server side, then we go for the some JEE. It's nothing but enterprise edition. So here, if you build your application in JEE environment, this environment can accept the application. It can run on the server side. It might be it's globally we can run our application with the help of this technology. We have a servlets and JSP and many more are there. So with the help of these technologies, we can build our application on the global side. So that is nothing but the type of additions which we are going to see here. Now we go for we'll see some advantages. What are the advantages we have and what are the disadvantages we have for about this technology? See, every technology have an advantage and disadvantage. See, even Java also familiar with these technologies, with these advantages as well as the disadvantages. We'll see here to get the clarity about the advantage of a Java technology and disadvantage about a Java technology. See, from more than 20 years onwards, this language has supporting. It's a ruling in the industry. No one can come across this language. So that is the major advantage for this technology. I mean, are you getting my point? See, 20 years has passed out for this technology, but there is no another technologies come over this technology as in Java. So, one more thing, we have a one Taibo. See, Taibo is one of the index. It's nothing but it's one of the community in the software department. You have a one community. This community has given more priority for the Java because it's showing the position at the top of the all the languages, all the programming languages, not only one language, all the programming languages, it's put at the top of the position. Java has to be put on the top of the position. So that reason, this is the very familiar, and it's a very important, and it's a very easy to understand also, and it's very easy to learn this technology also. This is the things we have these advantages in the Java. Now we'll see some disadvantages. Why Java has a disadvantage, what the reason we have, what are the drawbacks we have, we can discuss here. See, whenever we are going to create any application in a Java platform, it's take a more space. It's take a more space to run the programs and to run the code. It takes some more space, as well as it has some, not more. It's a poor performance. It's somewhat slow performance compared to other technologies. This technology has some poor performance, and and we have, and in this technology we have one more thing, such as GUI part. And see, GUI part we call as a front end part, and another part we have a back end part. So whenever we are going to design any front end technology with the help of the Java, it cannot look as feel to attract the users. See, whenever we open any website, any web page, so it will be some attractive. The user can easily interact with the page. That page we call as a GUI format. Is nothing but graphical user interface. When we are going to build about this user interface with the help of this Java technology, it should not be attractive. It means the user cannot attract with this page. So they have one more disadvantage about this technology. Now we can go for some pros and cons of the Java. See, why we say it's a very simple language. Just now we discussed about Java is a very simple language. What's the reason behind here? See, they have created one API in the Java. They have created one API. In that API, they have, see, actually what is the meaning of API? API stands for application programming interface. In that API, they have mentioned all the packages, all the interfaces, all the classes, and all the methods. So it's one type of a one library. So here the programmer and the programmer burden has totally removed here, because if they want to access any method, they want to use any classes, they want to use any package, directly they can interact with the API. So the reason we say it's a very simple, it's a very easily understandable language. That is the reason we say it's an robust and simple and easy understand language. Now we say an oriented. See, we have discussed, you have heard some many more times about C++ and the Java. Both are object oriented programming languages, right? So we say, yeah, it's right. C++ also is an object oriented programming language, and Java also is an object oriented programming language. See, shortcut we call as OOPS. Why we are saying these two technologies are object oriented, and we cannot say C is an object oriented, because C is a procedure oriented language. Now coming back to here, object oriented word. See, everything is based upon object. While we are come across with the Java, everything we have to write as an object. So so through object we can access many things. We can access the complete property of a particular class through object. A single object can access many more things. That's the reason we say as an object oriented. Even though C++ also we say as an object oriented. Why we are not focusing on C++? Why we come across from C++ to as in Java? So what's the reason here? In C++, some of the features is not fulfilled. Some requirements are not fulfilled in the C++ language. So that's why they came across from C++ to Java. Now here Java has an ability, it can fulfill all the requirements of an application. So that's the reason we go ahead about the Java. Now we say it's a secure language. Yeah, it's a very secure language. Means once you compile the code, it will be generated a byte code. So that byte code, it's a full security code, because no one can understand, no one can see, because it's totally in the form of binary format. It's nothing but zeros and ones language. So system understand only the binary format. It cannot understand the high level language, what we are learning, what we are seeing, what we are writing. The system cannot understand the language. System understand only the binary. So binary language, it comes in bytecode format. So that's why we say it's a secure language. And the platform independent, already we discussed about this platform independent. We can portable on any OS or any devices very easily, and it's a very economical. So we say about initially it's an open source, so everyone and every company can afford this technology very easily. It's an open source, it's a free of cost for that. And the portable, we can move the bytecode file any other devices easily. They can run your application on any other system or any devices or anywhere else. It's very usable. And we say, and it's stable. What's the meaning of stable? Because it cannot show, it cannot allow to access unauthorized users and authorized persons into this technology. It's a stable technology. So the reason we say it's a very familiar, and it's a very robust, and it's a very strong, and it's a very simple to easy to learn. And that's the reason it's running back 20 years onwards. There no more technology come across the Java. So that's why we are focusing on Java here. Now we should go for the cons. So why we say these things here? Because we should know every technology have some advantage and disadvantage, and that is an pros and cons here. So it takes some uh, memory space. It requires some memory space, and it some have some complex code. Means here we have tried the complete everything we have tried for the program. If you know the coding, it should be it's get a complex somewhat. And we have some backup. It's no have backup facility, and it's not look so attractive, and it's somewhat poor performance, we can say. For the reason they have the drawbacks about this technology. Okay, now we discuss about the full stack of a Java developer. You know why the people are focusing on the full stack? What's the reason behind here? See, in the full stack, it contains n number of courses. I mean, it has some technology will be added in the thing. Why they are focusing on the full stack Java developer means here, if the candidate or the student or anyone are going to be approached for this technology, a full stack a Java developer, with the help of this technology, he can build himself in with, to become a complete programmer, to become a complete developer. He can learn many more things. Here we have some phases here, the phase one and the phase two and phase three. We can discuss in the below sides. These phases can accept it to interact, to learn the complete modules and complete technologies. What are the technologies cover up in the full stack, the front end part and the back end part and the UI part, this and database part, and these things we can cover, and the frameworks also we can cover in the full stack developer. So the reason they are going to be successfully become able to write some coding on that. That's the reason they are focusing on the full stack for the Java developer. See, it can, you after this, I mean, after the full stack developer, you can become an able to write the programs. You can able to develop the, you can explore some everything in the programming part, in the, I mean, in the coding part. You can become more flexible to write the programs, to write the coding at the front end, at the back end. And we can, you can cover with the database also. You can ever aware of the database also. This many things we can, you can cover if you learn this full stack Java developer. Now, see, we can see the phases. What are the phases we have here to come across this, to become an full stack Java developer? See, has some phases here. The phase one, we can see here in the Java, we have some OOPS concept. Just now, previously we discussed about the OOPS. C++ we say as OOPS, and Java also we say as OOPS. Now here in the phase one, we are going to implement the OOPS technology with the data structure, and beyond it, we can go about that. So with the help of this, we are going to be work as in fundamentally, and we can work on, see, we have agile framework and agile waterfall model and agile model. See, we have two models here, agile model and waterfall model. Based upon these two model, we can build our application. If you know the fundamentals of this OOPS, that is the methodology to can create and to can write the coding in the models. Now here we have a what, a Git. Git is one of the, we SVN, it's one of the GitHub. We can manage the version controls over the with the help of the GitHub. And we have a one more tool here, Maven. See, Maven is the one of the tool. It's supposed to your application to install the versions, to install the jar files what they required. So we should aware of this Maven technology. Once we have worked with the application, you should go for the Maven dependency and Maven repository. So there we can easily install your application, your dependencies for your requirement for your application. That is nothing but the phase one what we are going to cover here. Now come back to the phase two is nothing but a backend expert. See here what is happening here in the backend expert. Suppose example, if you want to, if you are going to create one application, through application, if you're entering the username and the password and some application form, first name, last name, and what are the things are coming in the application that are going to be stored in the database. So the reason we are using here backend as a backend for the database. So with the help of this phase 2, we can cover up the backend software and backend technology, such as we have we have a Oracle, ORM, and SQL and MySQL, and these are the technologies are they in the are come in the phase 2 as in backend purpose. So we can understand the technology and we can understand the database easily. We can work. Have any more queries here? Are you able to understand the things clarity here? See, backend is nothing but we have a one concept, we have a one part in our Java. We have a call as JDBC. See, with the help JDBC. See, JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. See, with the help of this JDBC programs in the Java, we write the JDBC programs. Through the programs, we are going to connect. We are going to connect with the database. Suppose I have installed a database as Oracle in my machine, or you can take any other database such as MySQL and Oracle 11G or 10G or any other version. See, the database I'm going to connect with my application with the help of what? With the help of JDBC. So with the help of JDBC, we are going to interact with the databases. No, that is the things we are going to implement in the backend to interact with our application. Now, yeah. Now come to phase 3. See, in the phase 3, what's happening here? We are going to implement the framework. See, we have frameworks in the right now. I have frameworks are running in the market. If you know the Java perfectly, and beyond the Java, we have a framework. So with the help of the framework, we can create the code and we can write the code very easily, because it's a one of the framework. We can write the programs, we can implement the code. It's in an easy format. So the reason they come across with the framework. In the framework, we have what you can build your UI part is nothing but, see, UI, it comes nothing but user interface. User interface is nothing but such as HTML part, HTML5, or CSS, or Java jQuery, or AngularJS and JavaScript. See, this all comes in the UI part. UI part is nothing but it's a front end part. See, once you open your website, how you can see that is look and feel, that comes in the front end part. We can design the complete web applications. Only the UI part used for HTML5, CSS3 or CSS, and jQuery, and there are some new more advanced UI technologies comes in the market, such as AngularJS and React. These are the technologies we use in these things. Now, apart from this, we have a what framework called Spring framework. We have what Hibernate and Spring. These are the frameworks here. See, why we are focusing about this framework? No, why we are mostly working on the Spring framework? What's the reason behind here? See, Spring is the one of the latest framework, and it's having some versions higher. This is the most popular application development framework for enterprise applications. So example, enterprise applications such as nothing but the application can work as dynamically, such as we can take an example about a bank. If we are creating a bank application, the bank application, we can do modification. We can interact with the database as a dynamic purpose, such as example, we can done some transitions. We can do any transitions on any time. So that is comes in the enterprise application. So this framework is majorly used for enterprise application, and it's open source for the Java platform from since 2003. And he has some application they can support for the Spring, such as server side. Some applications are there, and some JEE standards are there. They can support the Spring framework. So that's the reason it's very easy to work on enterprise applications. Now, here dependency. What, see, in the Spring we have what dependencies. See, in dependencies is nothing but it's depend upon another jar. We have some jars are there. Based upon the jars, they are going to be get dependent on each other. Yes, please. Yeah, anyone have any queries? Yeah. See, here we have what IOC. IOC stands for inversion of control. So it's a one type of a container. In that container, we are going to be interact with all the dependencies and all the injections. What we are going to be working on the Spring framework. So the reason they are majorly focusing on the Spring framework in the market in the current industry. Now we'll go for the phase four. See, in the phase four, we have a word application such as a web application. It's nothing but a totally front end part. They can user really interact with the application. So here in this front end part, we mostly focus about some front end technology. Just now we discussed just few minutes back. So here the technologies we use as what HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the Angular, JS, and these are the technologies are come in the front end part. So with the help of the phase four, we can aware of how can we work on the front end part, how we can create the designing for our application with the help of this front end, and it's we call as a UI part. Based upon this, we are going to be interact with these things in the phase four. Now we'll discuss about more why we should go for the full stack as a Java developer. See, one thing I'll tell you here: in the full stack Java developer, have the use. I mean, the develop. I mean, the programmer or the candidate who is going to join this course, they have an ability to develop the type of application for the client side application they can build and the server side software can build the both. They have an opportunity. They can work as well as the client side and they can work as well as the server side. That is a one major advantage for the user. They can work both the side. So that is a one advantage once we come across with this Java full stack developer. Now we have another advantage is what we are aware of all the techniques, we are aware of all the technologies, how to develop a project, how to build how to build an application. You are become a master if you know these things. You can know all the technologies and all the techniques. It's very easy to become a to build a project and to develop any project, right? Right now here, if you have and if after this you have an ability, you can help the teams, you can help to all the team members, you can lead the team also. That is a facility, that is the opportunity you have for this technology. And here, you can reduce your time for the team communication because almost all you have covered up these things in the full stack. They can easily can spend your time and with the project you can reduce your time with your team communication to interact with the communication for the team members. That is the thing will happen here. And we have an opportunity that if you can work, you can switch on the front end part and you can switch on the back end part because it depends upon your selection. After this course you will aware to work on both the side. You can switch easily for front end as well as the back end development based requirement. See, if if you know the Java perfectly, based upon the Java, right now the many more technologies are upcoming. It's a one type of a platform. It's a one type of a container in the Java. See, what are the technologies are coming in the market, the new technologies, those technologies are based upon the Java. Because here it's a one type of a we say it's a one type of a container, we can say it's a platform. So if you know this technology, and it's very helpful to learn coming technologies, what the technologies are coming, upcoming technologies also. It's very easy to understand while coming to this full stack Java developer. Yeah, any more queries, have any doubt? See, yeah, yes please.
Actually, I missed the first 15 hours of class. Shall I repeat that?
Pardon?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Actually, I missed the first 15 hours of classes, 15 minutes of classes.
Acha, you
Yeah,
missed you missed the first thing. Okay, fine.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, see, we have some phases are here, such as phase one. Yeah, I'll show the things here. You will get clarity about these things. See, we have some phases. I think you have missed from this here or from initial only. See, We have some, we can see some advantages and disadvantages about this technology, and this technology have some uh, more advantages. So it's
Sorry to interrupt. Before this,
before this one.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. This one is clear for you. Sorry, may I know your name?
Narendran.
Yeah, Narendra. This slides is clear for you. Yeah, I'll go for this one. See here, we have here Java SE and Java ME. See, Java SE, Java ME, Java EE. These are what additions. So Java can support for these three additions, such as uh, we have what a Java SE standard edition is used for the client side application. We can work totally for the client side with the help of this software edition, we can say here. And we have what Java ME. See, this edition is used for a mobile application. Normally, we can say, suppose we have a n number of applications we are running on our mobile. So with the help of Android and with the help of any other mobile technologies, so Java can help to build this applications with the help of mobile devices. So that is another part. This is another level of Java ME, Java technology. And we have another word, Java Enterprise Edition. See, this is used for to build a server side application. You know what's the meaning of server side and what's the meaning of client side. See, Java have and give an ability to work for both the sides, server side as well as the client side. We can develop application on both the places. That is the ability they have provide for these additions in JEE. Yeah. Yes, Naren. Have any more doubts?
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Anyone is here? Any more queries? Yeah. Anyone is here? See, for the Cyberaegis has providing opportunity for the beginners and for those who want to change the platform, they want to switch the platform. They have a good opportunity for we have providing the oriented codes. They can you can able to be easily crack the jobs interviews and can easily placement. And we are providing some assessments for those who are the beginners and those who want to switch the things, because Java have an ability. It's an evergreen course and it's an evergreen subject. We can earn. I mean, as our requirement packages, we can go ahead about that. Whenever you visit or any other country, it's a very helpful technology. You can get the jobs very easily. That is an advantage about this Java. Yeah. Any more queries here? Hello. Yeah. Anyone is any? Yeah. Someone is there. Yeah. How may I help you, please? Hello.
Guys, if anyone is facing some problem, you can text whatever the query you have, so that sir will respond to that.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Yes, Jitendra. Fee you can discuss with our team, so they will let you know about the fee structure and the duration also. Did you get my point, Jitendra, Narendra? Yeah, you can discuss with our management. They will let you know about the fee structure. Yeah, good. Okay. Yeah. Yes, yes. Yes, please. Yes, guys. Anyone have any queries? Uh, Hello. Yes, yes. I got a one message. See, this full stack duration it's take a minimum 6 months of time because we have to cover all the technologies and all the modules which are coming in these phases, the phase one and the phase two. So based upon this, you will get become a good. You can able to be write the program. I can become a very good program. I can able to be write the coding very easily. So it's minimum. It's take 6 months of time. So it's a long, I mean, it's a the duration we can cover these things. Yeah, anyone have any queries? See, this technology is as evergreen. Why we are saying it's an evergreen technology means with the help of this, just a minute, someone has text me. Yeah, see, we provide placements. We have an opportunity to get the job very easily. See, one thing I'll tell you here: if you know the codes perfectly, if you learn the codes from till end to end, definitely you'll get the job anyhow. Any circumstances, any scenario, you will get the job. See, we have many more opportunities. We have many more placements. We have here once you be come across this technology, once you familiar about this technology, once you be completely go ahead about this. See, if you learn from initial as a major part as well as a minor part also, definitely no one can stop you to get the job. That is the thing we have to learn here. Did you get my point, Narendra? Yeah, yes, anyone is here, any queries? Yeah, sure, welcome. See, with the help with the help of this Java, right now, I mean, the previously in the year of 2008, one technology has launched, such as Hadoop. So, Hadoop is the one of the technology. It's totally big data analytics, but this technology is designed on Java. So that is the advantage of Java. That is the weightage of Java. So now the coming technologies are based upon this Java. So if you're aware of this Java technology, so you can understand the remaining and upcoming technologies, and it's very easily to grab this technology, to learn this other technologies. So that's why in the scenarios, in this current scenario, current situation, what they have going, they have put this is the base technology, and this is the advanced, and this is the it's a one type of platform we can say directly, so that the we can approach anyhow. So the reason we should focus on this technology. Yeah, any more queries? Yeah. See, the Cyberaegis has providing this oriented course. I mean, job oriented course. It's one of the great place opportunity for the beginners and for those who want to switch the jobs from one field to another field and one department to another department. It's an opportunity. They can build their skills. They can build their language, and it's an update. You can make yourself as an update position. Yeah. Yes, please. Any more queries? Have anyone? Yes, yes, please. Yes. Hello. Yeah. Are you?
Yeah, guys, if none of them are having any doubts, we'll wind up the session. And Abdul, if you want to add few more points, you can add anything.
Yeah, yeah.
Otherwise, we'll wind up the session.
Yeah, yeah. See, if those who are interested for this Java full stack developer, if you want to become a build up your skills and build up to your technical things, and they can easily contact our team and our HR, and these are going to help you. If you have any more queries, if you're not able to be asked me here, then you can discuss with our HR, and you will get the complete information about this course. And it's an evergreen course. If you learn this course perfectly, I mean, if you have an good idea about and good knowledge about this technical part, then definitely you'll get the placements and you will get the job very easily. For the things we are going to be make this webinar. Okay, if you have any more doubts, and you can let me know these things. Yeah, Pallavi, we can.
Hello,
Yeah, yeah, please.
hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Yes, please. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Are you hear me?
सर ये बोल रहा हूँ कि
हाँ.
सर मतलब इसमें गेम डेवलप करने के लिए मतलब डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए किस कोडिंग लैंग्वेज को यूज किया जाता है।
हाँ, देखिए, if you want to build any game development app, such as, see, we have here, I said about additions here, JSE, JME, and JEE. So here we have a JME. See, it's nothing but it's a micro edition. In this edition, we can build the games with the help of mobile games. So that we have to go about this JME platform. So we can write the code about the game. Yeah.
बिल्कुल।
Yes, please. Yeah. Did you got my point? Yes, yes, please. Yes. Have any more queries?
No query, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining the session today. And Abdul, thank you so much for being with us and giving valid points to all the joiners who have joined today. and our team will be get in touch with you all who has attended. And if you have any queries, you can ask them. They'll be clearing you. And anything you want to add from your end, Abdul?
No, nothing is there.
We can wind up the session, right?
Yeah,
1 minute,
sure.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, sure.
1 minute,
Please go ahead.
yes, please.
sir.
Yes, yes, I'm
सर
here.
बोल रहा हूँ ये सर कि मैक्सिमम सर मैक्सिमम इंडिया में डेवलपर फुल स्टैक डेवलपर की क्या सैलरी आती होगी?
See, if you become an full stack a Java developer, seriously, if you have a good technical background, I mean, if you have a good technically build up your skills,
जी
initially it'll start from 5 lakhs per annum minimum. I'm saying about the minimum, and it's an initial salary if you have
ओके
fully develop your technical skills.
ओके
That is the thing we can achieve for this full stack Java developer.
एनीथिंग सर बट अगर हम लोग अदर मतलब अदर कंट्रीज जा रहे हैं तो वहां पर मतलब फुल स्टैक वेब डेवलपर की क्या मतलब
Yeah, yeah,
मिनिमम सैलरी क्या आती है?
yeah, exactly. It's a very good point. See here, first thing I'll tell you here. See, Java, it's an evergreen technology. You know the meaning of evergreen. See, actually, it's running the back 20 years back onwards. It's running this technology, and there is no other technology to come across this technology. So, if you visit for any other country apart from India, if you visit for any other Gulf or any other different countries or English countries, see, there you can earn in the dollar. Here it's in INR. It's nothing
जी
but is an Indian rupees. So it's totally different from the currency. So you'll get huge amount. I mean, such as we can say some lakhs of rupees you can earn. That's the thing we want to know about. If you visit for any other country, if you want to earn in dollars, that is the thing here.
ओके ओके सर
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, anyone is there? Hi guys. Have anyone doubt? Any query?
नो सर अब कोई क्वेरी नहीं इतना ही सर जानना था
Okay. May I know your name?
जी सर
Yes, yes. Yes, please. Yes, yes. Hello. Yeah, tell me. I think no one have any query.
Okay, then we can wind up the session.
Yeah,
Uh, in advance, Happy New Year to everyone.
yeah.
Have a great evening. So, thanks for joining all. So, I'm winding up the session. Okay?
Same to you, man.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
थैंक यू सर
Okay, thanks.